Hey, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, this is another nail video. I told y'all last week that this video was going to be me doing my press-on nails, but that didn't go as planned, so I decided to do a new set for you guys. So my nails are already prepped, and I am putting on my tips. As you can see, these are brand new tips I just got that I really like. They are durable and they're curved, and they also are C-shaped as well, which I really like. So I am trying out something new here that is going to be a lot quicker and a lot easier for me, because I need quick and easy these days or I will not be wearing nails. So we are going to see how this process works out, you guys. And the link for these nail tips, of course, will be in the description bar below. So these nails are actually, these tips are actually a length that I do like to wear, but due to circumstances, I am cutting them down just a little bit shorter, not too short, but really just right underneath the number that is on the end of the tips. And I will have this nail clipper, of course, in the description box too. I think it was only like $4 off of Amazon. And I'm going in with my buffing block and taking the shine off of my nails, and also just blending in the tip into my natural nail as well, so it's not like sitting up and then looking kind of weird. And then, of course, I'm going in with my primer and dehydrator from Karlash. This is my favorite because it doesn't burn. It doesn't have that acid in it or whatever that makes it burn. Like, even if you had a little cut or something, it's, like I said, it's not going to make it burn or whatever. But as you guys always hear me say, this is an important part of your process to get your nails to stay on longer, so that there is no lifting of the product. So what I will be trying out today is this Kiara Sky Builder Gel that I got off of Amazon. And this is how thick it is. And I was like very impressed with how it was coming out here and how easily it's just applying. So I'm just going in with a very thin layer, and you see I'm just like really polishing it on my nails. And Builder Gel is basically just a softer gel, or some people say that it's like a poly gel, a softer poly gel in a bottle. And y'all, this is super easy. Like, I am so surprised at how this was like really coming out. And like I said, I need super easy, super quick right now with like less sculpting and things like that. I enjoy using tips over dual forms, because I could use dual forms and just do the poly gel, but quick and easier is what I'm going with. So I'm just going in and just adding a little bit more to some of the nails that I thought needed a little bit more on there. And you don't want to add a chunky layer to it. So I cured it for 30 seconds. Sorry, I cured it for a minute the first time. And then I added a second layer to it and cured that for a minute as well on both hands. And here I'm just going in with alcohol and wiping off that tacky layer. And I'm using my favorite nail polish, which is Beetles. I'm doing a spring set for you guys. So this is my first time doing yellows on my nails, and it's super bright. And for some reason, I had to shake it up because it was like the solution in it was like really weird. It was like separating. And I never had to do that before with this brand. So I was super surprised I had to do that. I don't know if it's because I never used this one in particular and it's just been like sitting, or if it's just because it's that super bright color. But yeah, I had to shake it up like a lot, which was very interesting for me. And when you guys see me do my nails, I don't always use a base coat. And that's just my personal preference. You can use a gel base coat just to make your nail polish like really stick even more, but I usually don't have a problem with it at all. It never really lifts at all. So yeah, I went ahead and polished all of my nails, and this nail in particular was just so ugly and bumpy. I don't know why, if it was the builder gel or what that made it bumpy, but I'm just going in with my buffing block and just taking some of that polish off and smoothing out the area. And like I said, you could just use the buffing block or a regular nail file, but y'all know I like my e-file because it is a little bit quicker. So I'm just, like I said, just smoothing out that bump that is there and going back in with my nail polish and just polishing over that because like I said, I didn't really have to take all that polish off. So just going in with an additional 2 coats of my yellow because now it just looks so much better. And you guys, like I said, it was super easy to use this builder gel. I didn't have to do any extra shaping or filing. But next time I will actually be filing my tips a lot better, so that I can still have that extra crisp shape that I wanted, because when you add your product on top of it, the shape isn't always exactly the same. So I am going to make sure next time I shape my tip before I add the product on there. And this is how it came out with the yellow. And I'm using my acrylic paint pens, which I was like super excited to try out. This is my first time using them. And yeah, so I'm just getting out the colors that I'm going to use. This set came with 2 extra whites and 2 extra blacks or whatever. So what you do is you just shake the pen up and then you press down until the color paint comes out. I will be putting the link for these pens, of course, in the description bar below. I think these were super cheap as well. So I am just using the acrylic paint pens for my designs because I'm not all that good at doing the hand designs using the brushes and stuff like that. So until I get that down packed, I'm going to be using these acrylic pens for my designs. So you will be seeing these a lot when I'm doing the designs that are a little bit more, I wouldn't say handy, but yeah. So I'm just doing some flowers. And this was a little tedious to a certain extent, but on this hand here, it's not that hard. But doing my right hand was so hard to make sure my design came out. But yeah, this is like a super quick and easy design. This is a super quick and easy application. This is the quickest set I've ever done because I was using this Kiara Sky Builder Gel and these acrylic paint pens. So all of the links for everything I used in this video will be below. And make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And stay tuned for next week's video, you guys. You already know it will either be hair or nails. But you guys will see. And make sure, like I said, you guys follow me on Instagram because I do little giveaways on my Instagram. Whether it's Cash App giveaways or me actually giving away a product. But yeah, y'all watch me work. So I was really liking how they came out, y'all. Like, I thought it was very cute. So I'm going in, of course, with my Beetles top coat. And again, this is my favorite top coat because it is no wipe. No wipe means there is no tacky layer, so you don't have to go in with alcohol once you're done with your top coat. So like I said, I love no wipe top coat. So this Beetles, like I said, is my favorite brand of polish, and it is just awesome. So that acrylic dried up super quick. Super quick. It wasn't messing up when I put the top coat on either at all. So I was very impressed with these acrylic paint pens, you guys. And you just cure your nails for 30 seconds, and y'all, boom, like super easy and quick. So comment below and let me know what you guys think about this set. And if you guys want to see me do some nail designs, send me some pictures on Instagram.